Struggling to give presentations in English? Whether it's for school, work, or public speaking, this episode is for you. Today, we'll walk you through how to start, structure, and deliver a clear, confident, and impactful presentation in English.
And stay tuned till the end, because we've got something special for you. A free downloadable PDF packed with presentation templates, useful phrases, and a vocabulary list from today's episode. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on practical English tips that actually work.
Segment 1. Why learning presentation skills in English matters. Let's face it, presenting in English can be nerve-wracking, but it's also a skill that sets you apart. Whether you're applying for a job, pitching a project, or presenting in class, being able to speak clearly and confidently in English is a superpower.
And remember, it's not about sounding perfect. It's about being understood, making a connection, and delivering your message with clarity and confidence.
Segment 2. Basic structure of an English presentation. Let's break down the ideal structure of a presentation into 5 simple parts. Introduction. Greet your audience, introduce yourself, and state your topic. Overview. Briefly outline what you're going to talk about. Body. Present 2 or 3 key points with supporting examples or visuals. Conclusion. Summarize your main points. Closing. End with a strong final line, question, or call to action.
Don't worry, we'll walk through each part in detail and even give you a real-life demo in a few minutes.
Segment 3. How to start a presentation in English. Here's how to begin. First, you want to greet your audience. Example 1. Formal start. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm here today to talk about. Example 2. Friendly start with a hook. Hi, everyone. Thanks for being here. Quick question. Have you ever felt nervous speaking in front of a crowd? Well, today I'll be sharing 3 tips to overcome that. A strong opening sets the tone. Try starting with a question, a surprising fact, or a personal story. That's your hook, something that grabs attention right away.
Segment 4. Building the body of your presentation. The body is where you explain your key points. Let's say your topic is why learning English matters today. Your body could include points like career opportunities, travel and communication, personal confidence. For each point, add a short explanation or story.
Use transitions like first of all, another important point is, or let's move on to keep your ideas flowing naturally.
Segment 5. Ending a presentation with confidence. The conclusion is your moment to shine. Recap your main points and leave your audience with something memorable. Example. Summary and closing. To sum up, learning English gives you access to better jobs, meaningful travel, and more confidence. Thank you so much for your time, and feel free to ask any questions.
Or you can end with a quote, a takeaway message, or even a question like, what will you do today to improve your English? That keeps your audience thinking. Segment 7. Presentation tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, let's hit you with some presentation hacks.
Here's what works like magic. Rehearse out loud before the actual presentation. Use short, clear sentences. Don't overcomplicate things. Use body language, gestures, eye contact, and smile. Avoid reading word for word from slides or notes. Pause after important points to let them sink in. Speak slower than usual. It helps you sound more confident. Record yourself and listen back to improve.
Also, stand tall, breathe deep, and believe in your message. Confidence is often just good preparation in disguise.
And now it's time for our vocabulary segment. Maria is here to explain 10 powerful words and phrases you heard in today's episode. Let's welcome her.
Thanks, Emma. These words will not only make your presentation sound more professional, but also help you express yourself more clearly. Clarity, being easy to understand. Example, she spoke with great clarity during the meeting. Confidence, believing in yourself. Example, he delivered the speech with confidence. Hook, the attention grabber at the beginning. Example, she used a personal story as a hook. Transition, words or phrases that connect ideas. Example, let's transition to the next topic. Takeaway, the main message the audience remembers. Example, the key takeaway was the importance of practice. Engaging, interesting, and holds attention. Example, his presentation was very engaging. Summarize, to briefly go over main points. Example, let me summarize the key ideas. Gesture, using hand or body movement to communicate. Example, she used gestures to emphasize her point. Emphasis, special attention or importance. Example, he placed emphasis on teamwork. Connection, creating a bond with the audience. Example, her humor helped build a connection with listeners. These words show up all the time in professional communication. Practice using them, and your English will instantly sound more confident.
And there you have it. Your complete guide to giving a presentation in English, from structure to delivery and everything in between. And make sure to subscribe to the English Podcast Show, where we help you speak smarter every day. Share this episode with a friend who's preparing for a presentation or job interview.
Until next time, remember, your voice matters, your message is powerful, and you can absolutely deliver it in English. Keep practicing and keep growing.